Surah Al-Shams, the Sun. This surah is Meccan, containing one section and 15 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
والشمس وضحاها
By the sun and its light,
والقمر إذا تلاها
and by the moon when it follows it,
والنهار إذا جلاها
and by the day when it brightens the sun,
والليل إذا يغشاها
and by the night when it conceals the sun,
والسماء وما بناها
and by the sky and its creator,
والأرض وما طحاها
and by the earth and the one who spread it,
ونفس وما سواها
and by the soul and the one who proportioned it.
فألهمها فجورها وتقواها
Then he placed in its heart the understanding of its disobedience and its piety.
قد أفلح من زكاها
Indeed, he who purified himself attained prosperity,
وقد خاب من دساها
and he who covered it in sin failed.
كذبت ثمود بطغواها
Thamud denied due to their rebelliousness,
إذ انبعث أشقاها
when the most unfortunate of them came forth to transgress.
فقال لهم رسول الله ناقة الله وسقياها
So the Messenger of Allah said to them, avoid the she-camel of Allah and her turn to drink.
فكذبوه فعقروها فدمدم عليهم ربهم بذنبهم فسواها
So they rejected him and hamstrung her. So their Lord sent punishment upon them due to their sin and destroyed their settlement.
ولا يخاف عقباها
And he does not fear that any of them would pursue him.